If for some reason you guys get locked inside the trunk of your Toyota Camry, right now we'll show you how to get out. Alright guys, I'm locked. There is actually quite a lot of room in here, but look at this guys. We have a luminescent handle which can be seen without the light. I'll show you guys with the light how it looks. Look at that, there's a handle right here. I'm locked in the trunk, nowhere to go. And right now, due to this handle, I will be able to open the trunk. Look at this. I'm free! I can get out! It's hard to be an old man. Again guys, this is the handle or the lever which we used. It will allow you to get out. Even though it's present, I would still recommend you not to end up in a situation where you will need to use it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was entertaining. We'll see you in the next video.